Hello everyone. Some time ago I made a YouTube short called Time Travel on Google Earth, where I use a feature that allows me to view historical imagery, or if you will, time travel. This is one of my favorite features as it allows me to view the world as it was long before I existed. Anyway, you can access this feature both in the web browser version and in Google Earth Pro. First, I'll show you how to do it in Pro. You'll need to open Google Earth Pro and then find a place you would like to see the past version of. Then you go to the toolbar in the top and click the button with the clock and the green arrow. Then this timeline pops up, where you can choose which year you'd like. Sometimes if you zoom in or zoom out, you'll be able to pick other years. In the web browser, you do more or less the same thing. You go to the toolbar and click on the globe with the arrow, and then you click on whatever year you'd like to see. So yeah, that was basically it, and if you have any questions or other video requests, please leave a comment and then I'll see you next time.